What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are a wonderful day. What I want to do for today is I have to change out a seal on the first gen. It's the seal that goes in the back of the transfer case. So I have my old transfer case, and let me just show you guys real quick the seal that I have to change. So it's this seal that goes in the rear of the transfer case. It's leaking quite a bit of oil, so I have to switch it out, because then I have to keep adding oil every time I see like a pretty big stain on the floor or whatever. So yeah, that's what I want to do today. I want to drop the transfer case and replace that seal so I no longer have that leak. Little bit of updates. Again, we're gonna be finishing up this Evo very soon. I want to try to, my goal is try to at least, you know, get it all assembled and ready to drop in before my birthday. So my birthday is at the ends of November, so that's when I have planned finishing that up. Other than that, I have not touched it. The update on this second gen DSM, everything's still at the machine shop. The guy is still trying to get that block that I took him, he's still trying to get that finished. But he told me that there was a lot of rust on the block, so he's gonna, if anything, he's gonna have to rebore all the cylinders. So hopefully, you know, he can get that worked out. If not, I'm gonna have to keep looking for another block. And then, as you guys saw in the last video, we're also doing Andy's GST. We're converting that to a GSX. I did forget to mention in that video that when he picked up that shell, it does come with a diff. It does have that rear axle, and it does have the drive shaft. So just something that I forgot to mention in the last video. But yeah, he's excited for that, and so am I, you know, to see how that turns out. But yeah, guys, right now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and move the 1G back to here. I do have to also get tires for these rims, because I want to throw these back on the DSM. Don't really like how it looks with the ones that it has on now, but yeah, and since I am like I said, I have to change that seal on this first gen, because I'm gonna start dailying it a lot more often, because I'm gonna sell the E36. So I'm gonna get rid of that, and I'm gonna start dailying the 1G. But yeah, guys, enough talking. Let me go ahead and get that car moved real quick. Alrighty, guys, so I got the car on this side already. I'm gonna go ahead and jack her up. And the reason that I want to start daily in this car, if anybody's just curious, I was driving the BMW in the summer because it has AC, and winter's pretty much here. So I want to daily this now and just, you know, get rid of that. There's no need for me to. The only reason I had that car is because, you know, these two cars were broken at one point. This one still is, but this one was also broken, and you know, it's always nice to have a automatic cold AC daily. But yeah, guys, let me go ahead and jack her up, and then we'll get started. Alrighty, got this bad boy up in the air. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go over everything. You know, just check everything, check the fluids, and check all that good stuff. I have drove it here and there, but I just, you know, I don't go too far. Just turn it on and go to the store real quick or everything. But since I am gonna start daily in this, you know, just go ahead and check everything out. Probably also clean up the bay a little bit. A little dusty. I haven't washed this car in quite a minute. So, but yeah, guys, stay tuned. Let me go ahead and start removing the transfer case. Alrighty guys, transfer case is out. This is the seal that I'm talking to you guys about. You guys didn't see it right now, but yeah, I have to change the seal out. I feel like that's where my leak is coming from, because you also have a seal on that side over there, but I don't think it's that one. I think it's this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and change that out, and hopefully that fixes our issue. Guess who showed up, guys? Mr. LFA TV. Alright guys, so that is all done. I'm gonna go ahead and slide it back in and install it. So Mr. LFA TV rolled in. He's gonna be doing some work on his car as well. If you guys don't remember, this is the MK3 Supra. You guys seen it in a couple of videos, but he's gonna get ready to upgrade.
Make some power.
Injectors, fuel pump. He just bought a brand new wideband as well, so he's trying to upgrade all that so he can power, because he's hitting fuel cut right now. So
yeah, I still have the
stock injectors.
I still have the stock injectors, and I left the spring that it came in the wastegate. I think it's like a 15-pound spring, so as soon as it starts boosting above 8 pounds, it starts hitting fuel cut. So
every time I do a ricer flyby next to him, he can't do nothing because he hits fuel cut.
all I could do is let the blow valve go off on this window.
So yeah, he's gonna get working on that. Alrighty, I'm done with that. Transfer case is in. You guys probably can't see it, but she's in. I'm gonna go ahead and fill her up. I can do it through back here. Yeah, little boop, right there. It just makes life a lot easier without, I did the little semi-wire tuck without having the fuse box here and all this other crap. Just makes life a lot easier to work on, even changing the starter, because I have so much space right here. The battery is no longer there, so yep. I'm gonna go ahead and fill her up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the engine bay and get her looking a little nicer. Alrighty guys, I am done. Got that transfer case installed, cleaned up the engine bay just a bit, and she's good. Hold on. Go ahead and turn it on so you can hear her idle. So Mr. LFA doing some final touches. Installing a V-band clamp for his exhaust. Said he had a cheap one over here, but he did that, and he also installed his wideband. So that looking nice. But yeah guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a good one, guys.